Hello friends, so today we are going to sketch this isometric view. So I hope you enjoy. Let's use Solidworks software. Okay, let's start. Choose file on new path. Okay, choose top plane, sketch. Then start by these two circles, one with 22.5 radius, another with 12.5 radius with 45 diameter and 25 diameter. Okay, circles. Okay, concentric. Okay, this is 45 diameter and this is 25 diameter. Okay, extrude up to 50. The features extrude up to 15. Okay, okay, so sketch this part. Start from the base up to 5 from the base. You see, let's see. Reference geometry plane, top plane, choose top plane. Okay, start from 5. Okay, okay, sketch plane normal. Okay, then sketch this with radius 17.5, small radius with 7.5. Okay, let's see. Choose line. Okay, okay, you see. Let's see. Choose another line. Okay, you see this inside it has 17.5 and another has 7.5. Okay, choose dimension. First of all, make this concentric. Okay, this has 17.5 and this has 7.5. Okay, check this has 10. You see, that's 10. Here are 17 and 10. See, 17 and 10, 15 and 10. Okay, we have 10. Okay, so also we have 10. See, the distance from this center up to this or center is 75. Okay, select, measure this distance from this one up to this center is 75. Okay, okay, then select this origin, hold control key with this one, make it vertical. Okay, so sketch line, choose line, make this one. Okay, choose another line, make this one. Okay, select this line, control, select the circumference, make it tangent. Okay, select this line, control is this one, make it tangent. Okay, you see, choose dimension, start from this one, 45. Okay, choose center point, start from this point. Okay, okay, you see, assign this 15 diameter. Okay, choose smart dimension, select this one, give it 15. Okay, then select this point, hold control key, this one, and this one, make it horizontal. You see my sketch is now fully defined. So choose line, assign line, complete sketch. Okay, it's fully defined. So isometric, extrude up to 10, and this extrude up to 5 ups and 5 below. See, let's show features, extrude, select contour, choose this one, blind, midi plane. So extrude from here up to 5, 15, 20, extrude up to 20, choose 20. Okay, say okay. You see, sketch, extrude, select this one, blind, midi plane, extrude up to 10. You see, choose 10. Okay, say okay. You see, select this plane, hide. See, then we are going to insert this rib, right plane, normal, choose line, start from this point up to this one. Okay, 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 fully defined. So isometric. Okay, you see, features, extrude, blind, midi plane, extrude up to 10. Okay, you see, this is good. So we are going to start these sides. Look, this one starts up to 15 and is extrude up to 30. Okay, so select reference geometry plane, top plane, start from 15. Okay, say okay. Select this normal, choose the line. Okay, start from this one to this. Okay, select dimension, give this line 31 millimeter. Okay, select another line, start from this point up to this one. Okay, select this point and this, make it horizontal. Okay, so you see this is between this distance between this origin and this one, 35 plus 15, it means 50. Distance from this line up to this origin is 50. Okay, you see it is enough redefined. Select center point arc, start from this origin up to this one, move back, you see, to this point. Okay, so fully defined. Okay, so let's check. It is extruded up to 30. Okay, features isometric, features extrude midi plane, no blind, choose blind, extrude up to 30. Okay, okay, you see, so make this radius. Okay, radius of 15. Okay, select plane, hide, rotate, select this face, fillet, choose this one, select this one. Okay, select this, rotate to see below, select this one. Okay, you see how it looks like. Select this face, normal, choose circle, start from this one. Okay, the circle has 16 diameter. Okay, choose dimension, give it 16 diameter. Okay, you see, fully defined, good, isometric, features, extrude cut, blind, lower. Okay, blind, you see. So we are going to cut this distance of 5. You see this distance. Okay, reference plane. Okay, top plane 15. Okay, select this plane, normal, sketch corner rectangle. You see. Okay, assign dimension low 5. Okay, let's give this distance from here up to this one. It's 15. Okay, isometric. Pictures, cut extrude, line, choose drawer. Okay, choose plane, hide. So friends, you see, this is how to create different parts by using Solidworks software. You can change color by default. Change color, select this part, color, and assign any color you want. Okay, assign any color you want. Okay, so this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software and assign a different color by using CAD-CAM. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos and comments. So friends, thank you.